Hi everyone, today I just want to make a video to show you how to use the copy function in AutoCAD. I'm currently using the 2022 version it's just released, so I'm getting to grips with it as well. There's not a lot that's changed, but I'm just going to show you how to use the copy function today. So let's just start with a basic object. I'm just going to draw, let's say, a circle. Easy circle. Then you select the circle, you type in CO, enter, and you click where you want and you move it to the other side, and you can click as many times as you want. Every time you click, it's going to create a new circle. So that's one way of going into the function. The other way is to go to that symbol over there. It looks like a circle and two other circles, and you click on that and you select the object. I changed my right click customization so that it says enter, but then I click right, click anywhere on the drawing or on the circle if I want, and drag it to the side and click as many times as I want. So that's how to use the basic knowledge of how to use the copy function in AutoCAD. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.